What's up, my queen babies? I'm back with another lit hair video. Okay, so y'all saw by the title, y'all saw by the thumbnail, I'm about to be transforming into a baddie with this DYHAIR777. This is my second time working with them, and y'all, this time they sent me something special. Your girl got some red hair. Well, it's like a 99J. If y'all don't know what 99J is, it's basically like a burgundy color, and it is super cute. Yes ma'am, yes. 13 by 6 closure on there. I think she's 18 inches and she's straight texture. I already come parted down the middle, which is super easy, and we're just gonna jump right into this video because your girl's looking kind of bad. I'm getting shedding, okay? The hair is shedding, I'm not gonna lie. I'm just being honest. I'm getting a good shedding. Then the hair is bleeding. Like, I don't know what's going on. It's bleeding and it's shedding. Okay, I have hair everywhere. Like, I don't know if it was, I don't know if they colored it or what. Well, I don't know if it's like pre-colored, but y'all, my hands are turning red and it is y'all. But the color is pretty though, I'm not gonna cap. I don't know if they colored it at they factory, or I don't know if this hair already come pre-colored or what. But like I said, it is shedding and it's bleeding. So I'm gonna just try to spray a little oil on it to just put a little silkiness in it and to calm it down a little bit. So yeah, that was just an update. Really quick. See, look. Okay. So I'm just about to take the little band off, because I've been letting it sit and I cut my lace off camera. So while that's sitting, I'm about to heat up my flat iron and my wand curl, because those are the hot tools that I'll be using today. Yeah, I really like this hair and I hope it cooperates right. That was just the update really quick. So we finna jump right back into this hair video. Okay, so yeah, this is the final look. The hair came out super bomb. I absolutely like the color of it. I think it is so cute for the fall time. Okay, so if you guys enjoyed this hair from DYHAIR777, make sure you guys check the description box below and purchase this DYHAIR777. This is how long it is, and it is 18 inches. I think it is super cute, y'all. I absolutely love this color. I'm gonna go back in and probably make my baby hair just a little smaller, because y'all, I hate big baby hair. I don't know why. I just don't like those big old swoops beside my head, and I feel like I got a big swoop right here, so I'm gonna just fix that off camera. Okay, so if you guys want to, you know, purchase this DYHAIR777, like I said, check the description box below. And y'all, this hair already come pre-colored. You won't have to do nothing to it but put it on. So yeah, I want to thank DYHAIR777 once again for sending me this bomb, already ready, pre-colored wig. Okay, alright, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I think I'm gonna do my makeup a little bit. I don't know, I might just leave just eyelashes and wig on. Okay, so if y'all enjoyed it, make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up and go over to my personal channel at Queer Renee and subscribe to my beauty channel. Okay, and I will see y'all in my next video, my queen babies.